Lord is my strength. As they have spoken, you said that you have the power to influence creation because you are filled with your word. Let the spirit man that lives within me, that I am, let the spirit man that lives within that one and this one begin to be active. Let them receive wisdom. I also pray for those who are listening to me in silence. Lava kulaba imisene ngempela noma phinde bedlala ebathandazela. Ngibabeka nesandla noma singasahleli kubo ukuthi abaphumelele. Laba bathathisha usuku abanye belele. Laba baqhubeka belalela uthisha sezela. Laba baphulishwayo bephulishela ukuthi bona bayimisela. Bonke laba baletha kuwe egameni likaJesu. Use them, shape them, strengthen them, and cause them to rise above like the Josephs of this time. It's in me now. Put yourself.
Son. Amen.